as an Ahmadi Muslim, am I permitted to say my daily prayers, Jamaat or the Jummah prayers with the Sunni Muslims? Please clarify.
According to Hazrat Muslim's stance on this issue, no Ahmadi is forbidden to say prayer behind any other Muslim, provided that Muslim does not reject the imam created by Allah. So the sects do not matter, whether Sunnis or Shias or whatever denomination they belong to. If any Muslim positively declares that from what has reached me, I believe that Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Sahib was not a fabricator. Whatever he said about God and his having been appointed by God, I agree with that. Although I have not strength enough to join Ahmadiyya Jamaat openly and publicly. So if he has strength enough to admit all this which I have stated, then you can say your prayer behind him. There is nothing wrong. But it will be much better for him to say his prayer behind you, because you are one step ahead. You accept the truth of Imam and have the courage to accept him, to believe in him. So why should he insist that you should say his prayer behind you? No, you should say his prayer behind him. You understand? As far as the mosques are concerned and the khutbah Jummah is concerned, it has become very clear that today everywhere in every non-Ahmadi mosque, the Aimma are appointed by either the government or by a body of people who reject Hazrat Muslim and take. It should be out of question. It's a choice between Allah and His appointed Imam and the worldly wise people and their appointed Imam. This is the decision which you should make.